So this is a Antonio Carraro tractor. Okay, Antonio Carraro 7400. It's very beautiful, and this is what we use here. Just awesome. And the reason is because it's good brand, good quality. Okay, and it is easily maneuverable on terraces. See, it's not so wide, it's not so high. Okay, this is a small one. Okay, and this is what you call a fraser. This is a fraser. It's not a plow. See, it's not a plow. Look, it's chopping up the grass and it's tilling the soil superficially. Okay, so there you go. You learn something. This is not plowing up here. This time up here we're doing fraser about superficially. Okay, not deep. Why? Olive roots, they run long under the ground. Okay, olive roots, deep and long, and wide out here, olive roots. So Antonio Carraro tractor. These are very good tractors. If you are looking to buy a tractor for your farm, then you can use the link in the description below and support our farming channel and get your tractor going. Okay, tractors for us start from in Italy from 18,000 euros. That's minus VAT, value added tax. Okay, 18,000. So you need a tractor on a farm. Okay, especially an organic farm. Okay, so just something for you to think about: a tractor and a plow. Okay, you need some advice, you give me a shout, you email me. I will give you some itineraries, or you can look online. But you're not required to buy anything from us, right? You just to support the channel. If you want to get a tractor online delivered to your location, then you can use that brand. It's very, very good. We use it for years, even before I came here. My father-in-law used it. Okay, it's always the brand Antonio Carraro tractor. Okay, thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe. Remember, farming is beautiful. My daughter is calling me. Farming family, take care. See you in another one soon.